Hey guys, it's Crystal back with another video for you. So today I will be doing a lot of unboxing, so stay tuned to see what I got. I really wanted to start this video off by shouting out one of my most awesome followers, Eddie. He went ahead and wrote me this super cute letter and included a little goodie box. So he is Eddie at I_GotsVision. So thank you so much, Eddie. I'm going to show off what he got me. So starting off with that unboxing, I have a genuine Civic Type R shift boot, which I'm really excited to install. So next after that, I've got the Honda keychain right over here. I love it, and it matches the new emblems that I just put on, so that's so awesome. And this is probably one of the coolest freaking things I've seen, is this genuine Civic Type R key here that just needs to be cut. So I will definitely be cutting that. I am so excited for this. I think this is so cool. I would have never thought to have this. So thank you so much, Eddie. I really appreciate it. You are so sick. And just to top it off, he has all this little anime clippings here that he wrapped the box in. So cute and so thoughtful. I love it so much. True Honda fan over here. Love it. Keeping it with the Honda theme. So if you guys have been following my last couple videos, you'll know that I did get into a little accident and those brand new taillights that I had just put in got damaged, unfortunately. So I went ahead and ordered new ones. They were on back order for a little bit and I finally got them, guys. So here we go. Got the taillights in, and I am so excited to get these onto the car. So thank you to Collision Hero, by the way, for letting me borrow one of these headlights or taillights, just so in the meantime while I was getting this. Thank you so much. But now I have my new one, so I will be returning that. So excited. So the last couple videos I did get a lot of people asking me for the part numbers, and it was a lot to respond to each and every one of you, so I wanted to go ahead and give that to you. So I have the part numbers on these boxes here. Go ahead, take your notes, take your looks, and you are all set to go ahead and order those parts. Continuing on with that Honda theme, so I think last video I went ahead and revealed my new JDM SIR headlights for the Honda. So today I took it to the race studio in Corona and I got a clear bra on it to help protect the headlights. So they did a really amazing job. They were like, oh yeah, it might have some little water bubbles. Not even anything, which they evaporate anyway, guys, but amazing job here. This will just help with overall protection of the lights. What's really nice about this, and how you can tell that it's great quality and a great job, you can't even tell where it starts and where it ends. Everything, it just looks like nothing has been done to it, but it does have that clear bra on it, and that will protect it from any rock chips or just weather damage that might happen over the years. Very impressed. So again, I got this done at the race studio in Corona. I'll go ahead and put their Instagram down below so you can go ahead and give them a follow and hit them up if you want anything like this. They also do a lot more. They do liveries, they do little stickers, so they're a full-on vinyl print shop and they are so great, have really great reviews. I definitely recommend them and I'm going to be using them in the future, so yeah. The next update that I have for you guys is actually a BRZ update. So first of all, I wanted to start off by saying how much I love my arc grip exhaust, guys. Like, starting with the exhaust tips, I love that it attracts attention. I think that it looks so good. When it was perfectly intact, there was no drone in my car. It was not too loud. It was not too quiet, just enough to turn some necks. And I was just so in love with it. So unfortunately, maybe a couple weeks ago, there's a lot of construction going on around the area that I live. So I hit some sort of, like, I don't know if it was something that was risen in the road. I hit it and it hit it so hard that it bent my exhaust all out of shape, like to the point where it's not even fixable anymore. The only way I can think of it possibly being fixed as if it's like cut off and like a new piece is welded on, and it's just a whole hassle and a half. So I'm probably gonna have to kiss this exhaust goodbye. I loved it so much, guys. Anybody who was hoping to get an art grip exhaust, just know that I really love it, but I decided to go a different route. So unfortunately, when you're living that low life, you have to pay to play, and sometimes things just get damaged and it's unavoidable, and it's no one's fault but the construction workers. So yeah, so sad. But you know what, it kind of gives me this opportunity to try out a new exhaust, which is kind of, I mean, always good, right? So if you guys remember my stick driver, Mike Kang, he's been featured in a lot of my videos. Usually when I take the cars to the canyon, he'll go ahead and do like a whole review of how he likes the way a car drives or the way it doesn't. So he actually recommended this exhaust for me. If you guys have heard of Counter Space Garage, they're really well known in the track world. And yeah, guys, so he recommended this exhaust, and I trust Mike with my life. So this exhaust is the Counter Space Garage 8.6 Touring exhaust. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys today so we can take a look at it, and then in my next video I'll go ahead and install that. So here's the box, like so. Just from the outside it seems very well packaged. So we have the logo right here on the very front, and I'm going to go ahead and get this open. Alright, I'm going to try to use my Wonder Woman muscles. Get this all out here. Oh wow. Super secure packaging. I love it. So it looks like it's really well packaged. I mean, there's no crazy damage on the box or anything, so I can expect the exhaust to be in pretty good shape. So let's go ahead and get some of this fluffy stuff out. Alright, so of course we have our multiple pieces here. So I think I just pulled out the mid pipe. It has the resonator right here, and then you can see their Counter Space Garage logo. So right over here we have this pipe. It looks like this connects the muffler to the mid pipe right over here. Everything's all packaged up so it doesn't get damaged while it's in shipping. Okay, so here we have the muffler. Got that all out of the box. So again, with the good packaging, nothing looks damaged. Everything looks good. I believe I saw their Counter Space Garage logo right under here, so that when you have it installed and you have the car up, you can hopefully see it, but we have that there. A lot of good welds, continuing on with that, and then everything is packaged here with the saran wrap so it doesn't get damaged, no scratches or anything like that, so really appreciate that. So the last thing in the box are these two exhaust tips. So nothing too crazy going on here, just the two exhaust tips. I heard that they are adjustable, which is really nice. They are not stained like my other ones, but it's okay. It has that good stainless steel look. It's gonna look nice and clean, nice and classy, so I can't wait to get those on for you guys. And I do appreciate that they are wrapped in that bubble wrap, so packaged nice and tight so they don't get damaged. So I'm super excited to be repping this Counter Space Garage exhaust. They went ahead and gave me this super cute shirt, which I'm super excited to wear. It's really great quality, and it has their logo, of course. So I'll be doing the exhaust install in this shirt. They also gave me a coupon code to give to all of you guys, which is so awesome. I never get coupon codes. So if you use my coupon code QueenBRZ, you can use it on almost anything that they have in the store, guys. So honestly, like, I'll let you know how I feel about this exhaust. But I hear a lot of really great things about them. If you guys are all for those track builds, that is what they're known for. This coupon code is for 10% off. Any little bit helps, so definitely go ahead and use it. Show some support for your girl. And yeah, guys, I mean, it's a good quality place, really well known. I wouldn't give you guys anything that I don't trust and put my name behind, so they're great. So guys, while I was doing my unboxing of my exhaust, it was such a miracle and such a blessing. I received a package of another thing that I'm going to be doing for the Honda. So if you guys remember a few videos back, I had those super amazing Porsche calipers that I got painted in that really sparkly blue. So cute, right? So I was checking wheel clearance with my Hypergram wheels. Unfortunately, the Hypergrams did not clear the Porsche brakes, which I was so sad about. So I went ahead and ordered some new wheels, which took quite some time to get. So yeah, guys, when I say a long time, I mean like 4 months, long time. But they're finally here, and shout out to my guy Rudy. His Instagram is at @rockabillystylin. He is always giving me good recommendations for Honda parts, and this was actually his recommendation, so thank you so much. I'm so excited that they're finally here. So these are my Rays 57 DR wheels that I got for the Honda. So these should be able to clear those calipers that I got. The specs are 15 by 8 plus 35, so we should be all set there. I love the color that they came in, and they should match my brakes perfectly or complement them really, really well, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm really excited to go see what they look like in front of the Honda, so I'm going to take you down and look, you can go look. So already I am so in love with the way that it complements the championship white, and I'm so excited to see how they look with the calipers that I have painted in that teal color. If you guys remember, hopefully, maybe I'll insert a picture if I can, but if not, I'll go ahead and make a video about it. So super excited. Let me know what you think. So just a reminder, these are 15 by 8 plus 35 wheels, and then I did get tires for them already. So they are Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires in 205 50/15 size. So sometimes this is a daily driver for me. Didn't want to go too crazy on the tires, but wanted to make sure that I had something that was going to be good for these wheels here. But yeah guys, that's what I got. So I've been hearing a lot of your comments, reading a lot of your comments, and I want to meet you guys so bad, and I know a lot of you guys want to meet me too, and I really appreciate all of your support. I'm trying to think of, man, how can I interact more with you guys, and I think it'd be really great to kind of host a little meet. So I was bouncing back ideas with one of my good friends, Rudy. So he's at @rockabillystylin on Instagram, and we decided why not host like a cars and coffee for ourselves. So I have a venue already. It would be the Panera Bread in Rancho Cucamonga, right across the street from the Ontario Mills Mall. So I worked out a little thing with them. They're cool with us going in the morning and having our little cars and coffee there. Our meet would be on December 5th. That would be our first one, which is a Saturday. So I know most cars and coffees are on Sundays. If you can't make it to Sundays, hopefully you can make it to the Saturdays. So that might be better for most people. But yeah, guys, I'm really excited. Please let me know down in the comments if you would be interested. This would be my first time ever hosting a meet of any sort, so I'm not sure if 2 people will show up, 20 people, or 200. So please let me know what you think if you're in this area. That's when I'm planning on having my first one, and then I'm hoping to start the year off just continuing that, maybe doing like the first Saturday of each month, just something that stays kind of organized and consistent for you guys. So let me know what you think. This is something that I really wanted to do to try and give back to the community, maybe sell some of my merch there if you guys wanted to support, but I would really love to see a lot of your builds if you guys are local. I know I hear a lot about them in the comments, but to see them in person is so much different, and really getting to like admire what you guys are all doing at home and seeing what kind of inspiration I've done for you guys, that would mean the world to me. So again, let me know what you think. Don't forget to drop a like on this video if you think that's a good idea. So yeah. So that pretty much wraps up my video for today. Again, don't forget to check out Counterspace Garage. Use my coupon code, guys. It'll mean the world to me. So yeah, go support us. And of course, as always, if you like this video, drop a like down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much again for all of your guys' support. I do these videos for you guys. I have so much going on in my life, but I always make time to settle down and try and do these little videos, even if it's something so small, because I want to keep you guys interested and keep you guys updated on what's going on in my life. So until next time, guys, Queen BRZ out. Aren't you the guy who tried to hit me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to